DRD Allotments. This is sort of a bit of stuff we've done for this week, so come and see what we've done, and at the big end where we've rebuilt the shed. So let's crack on and enjoy the video. Rob and Warren levelling up the soil. Right, that muck they've just moved, putting in this hole. As we're building that up. Are we done?
No. So a little bit left to do.
And back to them doing the muck. Danny doing some pulling the bricks to bits because it's part of the shed that's going to be getting pulled down, and we want this bit of wood, so he's trying to get that metal bar off. So he's using a cold chisel and a mallet. To knock the old chimney down. Right, this part of the shed's coming down, so they're starting to strip the roof. First job, getting all this off. I can't really do much videoing of that because it's up a height. So, but I thought I'd let you start off, let you know what they're doing. Getting the roofing felt off. Then we'll start getting a proper roof. Then I'll do a video of in the shed what they've done and what we're going to do next. So I'll be back in a minute. Oh well. Okay, we've got part of the roof off now. I'm going to take these two side panels off, move this wood, that back panel off, and then bring it over, and then all this is going to be built up here. That's coming into here. Got these wood to build up here. Then that's this shed thingy, and that's, we're going to leave the frame up that to store wood under. So Rob's just all the water that's come down when we pulled the shed. Rob's ready cleaning it up. So that's that bit now. We'll show you any work in progress soon.
I might need ladders in there. Stand on.
What do you need ladders for?
They can come from the top. Come from the top.
Warning, men at work.
Okay. Nearly there. I would move the ladder back a bit, like, because you've got it on the edge. I don't even know those maybe the store stuff inside of it.
Okay, we've pulled all this off now. Okay, we've pulled all this off now. We'll have to. Rob's busy knocking the nails out down into this big wood. So that's going to go hopefully onto there, onto here. Then we'll start building the rest of these on here. So hopefully we'll get that done this afternoon. So we'll show you. I'll show you progress again soon. Back in a minute. We're now putting the lower panels on. What's the shed look like now?
It's great.
It's actually bigger than I thought.
Hey, next panel. This panel. That one. There's not a crack in here, but you know. Doesn't matter.
Does. Make sure you got decent panels. Any cracked ones used for?
Nah. You can't see the crack.
Yeah, we've got plenty of them.
No.
Well, we've done most work on the shed. We've made the shed smaller and more secure. So, well, we've got this back wall that needs redoing. Eventually, we've got hopefully got the wood. This window's going to come out. That's going to be redone, and that's our shed done. I'll go outside and I'll give you a show from the outside. All the rubbish, more rubbish again. I don't want to stand on the nails, so I'm just going to work my pipe towards the sun here. So that's it from the outside. Go down a bit, Rob's there. That's what's left of a shed. So nice little shed now. So do some more later and catch you later. Well, that's it. Another day over. The jobs are done. Welcome to my sun house. No, really, this is all going to come down. We're going to store wood and all that here. Just at the minute we've got this out here. I'll move forward. That's what we've done. We've done the back, this end of the shed, and we've blocked this in, so that's done today. All we'll do is this over here and around the back. So don't forget to subscribe, give her a thumbs up, leave something in the comments, and we'll catch you again with another video. So stay safe. Bye for now.